Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up report for Tom in Pennsylvania on the Ranger Professional Ppr-tlm1. These didn't last long on the retail market before they were discontinued. Really cool though. I mean, 1 2 1 2 1 2, check 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. We got a 25 watt slug here, an average 50 watt slug in peak. It's keying roughly 4 watts. Hello 1 2 1 2. Hello 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 hello. Hello 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 hello. As you see, it's not moving forward at all. Bird average. 50 watt slug. Hello 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 hello. About 17 watts at the most. Excuse the dirty desk, but that's what you get when you actually work. Hello 1 2 1 2. Hello 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 hello. Whoa. 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 About 40% modulation. Alright, we'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, we got her open here. Look around it here. It's untouched. Totally stock radio. There's a little bit you can do to these things. They've kind of got a unique board of their own, the EPT012510D. But see what we can come up with here. Unplug this and see if I can get a good eyeball on the final. Let's see it there. Can't see it, but being it's really dark, black, glossy like that, I would say it's most likely going to be the IRF 520. All right, let's do a little bit here and there, and let's see what we can come up with. Use the same audio IC all the newer exports are running as well. We'll be back. All right, and we're back. So we were able to get this thing lined out a little bit here. Definitely got some modulation in it now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got. 25 watt slug. It'll key about 5 watts, and at least hello, it will move forward to about 6.5 bird. 50 watt slug PEP. Let's see if we can surpass that 15 watts. Hello 1 2 3. Hello 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 hello. Oh yeah, hello hello hello. Ooh, about 32. And let's go over here. Now you gotta be careful how you run the mic gain on this thing. Hello. See, it's kind of trying to flat top there. They're just not modulation monsters. Hello, 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 hello. 1 2 1 2 audio. But you are at least getting 100% modulation there before it flat tops. Okay, my friend, we're gonna get this back up to Pennsylvania. Hope you enjoyed it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.